How to start a group call on Snapchat. First thing first, open Snapchat, then tap on the chat icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. On the chat section, tap on the new chat icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now next to the new chat you can see new call, tap on it and you can see under calls new group call. So you can tap on it and here you can select the members that you want to keep as the member of new group call. You can select it by tapping on the small circle on this way. Then once you have selected the peoples, you can tap on the new group call name as well and enter the name of this group. Once you have done that, you can tap on start group call button at the bottom of the screen and easily start a group call on Snapchat. Just tap on it. So in this way you can easily start a group call on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful.